Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2 in our series on making hot sauce with peppers that we've grown from our garden. In our first video, we made Reaper Berry Jam, which is a sweet and spicy combination of strawberries and Carolina Reapers that we turned into a delicious jam. But today we're going to go into a completely different direction. We're going to create a sweet and smoky hot sauce. I'm calling this one Smokey Specter. It's going to be a smoked pineapple and ghost pepper hot sauce. In this video, I'll show you how to make it, but the directions and recipe are going to be in the description below. So let's get started with our ingredients. We're going to start off by needing a half cup of white vinegar and maybe a little extra. We'll determine if we need to add any more later after we give it a taste. And then a quarter cup of water, 2 bell peppers, a quarter of a pineapple, 4 to 6 ghost peppers, 2 to 3 medium shallots, 1 head of garlic, 2 to 3 teaspoons of pepper oil. I made my own pepper oil. I will try to put a video out there for that and show you how to make it. This will add a little bit of fat to the hot sauce, which will help the heat linger in the mouth. Then we're going to be adding a half teaspoon of Hickory smoked salt. My favorite is from San Francisco Salt Company. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, to add that smoke flavoring to everything, we're going to set up our grill. We're going to use a chimney and lump charcoal. Now, while that starts heating up, we're going to prepare everything else that we're going to toss in the smoker. First, by washing and cleaning the peppers, peeling the top layer off the shallots, cutting the tops off the garlic, and then slicing the tops off the ghost peppers, cutting them in half. Now, we only need about a quarter of the pineapple, so we're going to peel that and take what we need. Cutting this piece in half so we have more surface area, so when we smoke it, it'll absorb more of the smoke, enhancing the flavor. And the boys will eat the rest of it. Once the charcoal is ready, we'll dump the chimney and add our hickory wood. Now, it's time to add everything else to the grill. I'm adding the bell peppers closer to the flame because I want them to char a little bit. We'll end up peeling them later. Now, you do want to check on everything once in a while to make sure it doesn't burn. Now, you see I have a couple jalapenos and I'm adding some Carolina Reapers to the grill. That's for a future video where we'll be making Reaper Berry hot sauce. Now, our peppers have a nice char in them. We're going to take them off and put them into a bowl with foil over the top. This will trap in the moisture in the bowl and steam the peppers, making them easier to peel later. This process takes about 20 minutes. We're going to get everything else off the grill and set everything up outside. I should note that this is all the cooking that's going to be done for this hot sauce. All we have left to do is combine all the ingredients. From my experience and failures, I do have to say you do not want to do this inside. The peppers release a capsicum into the air and it makes your eyes burn and it's tough to breathe and it's not fun for anybody. It's my opinion you should definitely do this step outside. Now that the peppers are steamed, we're going to remove the skin, the stems, and the seeds. Adding that and all of our other smoked ingredients to our blender. Now you're going to add your water to help everything get started blending. Now that everything's blended, we're going to start adding our salt, pepper oil, and vinegar, and blend them completely to incorporate all of the ingredients. Now we're going to give this a taste. I think it needs a little bit more bite, so we're going to add another quarter cup of white vinegar. Once this is all combined, we're going to add it to our bottles. With the vinegar, this is pretty shelf stable, but I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator just to be safe and to kind of extend its life. So far, this has been one of the best hot sauces I've made. It's by far my favorite, and I've been putting it on everything. Now we have more hot sauces to come, so stay tuned for those. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave the recipe in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.